I'm Erika.
And I'm Dani.
Today's tutorial is about causatives. We're going to use get, let, make, and have. That's when you have someone, you want someone to do something for you. Hey, Dani, do you get your friends to buy you coffee?
Yeah, because sometimes I don't have any money.
Yeah, I get it. Hey, do you have your boyfriend fix your car?
No, I have my dad fix it.
Did your mom make you do chores around the house when you were little?
Yeah, but you know, I got my sister to do them.
Oh, good idea. And when you were little, did your parents let you stay up late?
No, never. My parents never let me stay up late.
Good. Go to bed early. All right, that's our tutorial today for causatives. Please come by and see us at Harmon Hall Puebla Juárez, 242-4158 to learn more. Bye.
Bye.